brand new F300 adopts Intel Haswell i5 processors with a CPU performance that is 13% better than previous Ivy Bridge generation, plus a graphic boost of 32%. F300 has a fanless and dustproof design with aluminum chassis. With 2 display ports, it supports high-definition output and resolutions up to 3200 by 2000. It has a very slim design with only 35mm, which allows easy and invisible installation. F300 includes Yeehee's new active hardware control technology with RTC wake-up, auto power on, and infrared remote control before entering the system. It's designed with rich interfaces like USB 3.0 and serial ports. 3G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are optional. With aluminum chassis, fanless design, reliable quality and thin size, F300 is perfectly suitable for digital signage deployments.